In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate to you the basics of ducking and what ducking does. First, I'm going to pick a clip from my library here, and I can double click on that clip to select all of it. And I don't need this though, so I'm just going to close that. And I'm going to click and drag. Okay. Now, as you can tell, we have the whole clip here. It's an old clip from Chevrolet. Apparently, the Roads to Romance in Technicolor. Very nice. Alright, so we want to put something over this. Let's say we want to voice over it. We could click our voiceover, click the clip, 2, 1. In this clip, we're going to be talking about the Santa Cruz Trail, the land of the giant cactus. It's going to be a phenomenal video that'll teach you about life in the 50s, blah, 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 yada, yada. We're going to click the clip again to stop our recording. Now, this is voiceover of the original video clip. So you'll notice now down here, there's this purple thing. Let's close the voiceover. And we're going to increase the thumbnails that show. And we're going to scroll down to where this starts, which is at the beginning of the clip, right here. Well, there. Notice, what do we have here? We have this purple box underneath this audio. And mind you, this is shown by clicking Show or Hide Audio Waveforms. Now, if you look really closely, you'll notice this light blue here, and it switches to this dark blue. And if you take a look at that line right there, let's see if we can zoom in any more. There's this line, it's kind of, it cuts right across. And what it's doing is it's lowering the volume for the original clip and allowing this recording to be able to be heard over the original volume. So let's take a listen. It's probably not going to be that great, but in this clip we're going to be talking about the Santa Cruz Trail, the land of the giant cactus. Okay, so you get the clue. It cuts down the audio, it lowers the audio of the original clip, and allows you to be able to hear your voiceover. Now, if you want it louder, you can edit it just the same as you would any of the other clips. You can do audio adjustments or clip adjustments to it. And what's neat about this, ducking as it's called, is that once it gets to the end of the audio recording, we're almost there, you'll notice that this line goes back up. So we resume back to a normal level of volume for the original clip here. Let's take a listen to it. Of the original video clip. So as you can tell, the audio of the original clip goes back up. And that's pretty much the idea behind ducking. Another way to use ducking is, say that you have a song that you want to be heard. At the end of a clip, we're going to use the end of this clip right here. We can go to our audio, select our audio file that we want to include. So there's a lot of sound effects here if you want to use. Let's see if we could find, let's use jingles. Yeah, my computer's going very slow right now. Apologize. Alright, where is my audio? Well, let's say we have a song. So any songs that I can include. No, I'm just sounding like an idiot.